Welcome to this session on the advanced grep command. Today, we'll be mastering regular expressions and exploring advanced options within grep. Grep, which stands for Global Regular Expression Print, is a powerful command line utility used for searching text patterns within files. The basic syntax involves typing grep, followed by options, then the pattern enclosed in single quotes, and finally the file or files you wish to search. For example, to search for the word error, in a file named system.log, you would type grep, space, single quote error single quote, space, system.log. Let's explore some basic grep options. The I option allows for a case-insensitive search, ignoring case distinctions in both the pattern and input files. For example, grep I space single quote error single quote space log file.txt will find error, 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 and any other case variations. The in option displays line numbers alongside the matching lines. So grep in space single quote error single quote space log file.txt will output each matching line along with its corresponding line number in the file. Here are more grep options to enhance your searching capabilities. The R option enables recursive searching, allowing you to search through directories and their subdirectories. For instance, grep R space single quote function single quote space slash path slash to slash directory will search for the word function in all files within the specified directory and its subdirectories. The C option provides a count of matching lines, displaying only the number of lines that match the pattern, rather than the lines themselves. An example of this is grep c space single quote error single quote space log file.txt, which will output a number representing the total count of lines in log file.txt containing the word error. Now let's dive into some advanced grep options. The A, B, and C options allow you to display context lines around the matching pattern. A followed by a number like A2 shows that number of lines after the match. B followed by a number shows lines before the match, and C followed by a number shows lines both before and after the match. For example, grep A2 space single quote error single quote space log file.txt will display the matching line and the two lines following it. The V option inverts the match, selecting non-matching lines instead of the matching lines. For example, grep V space single quote error single quote space log file.txt will output all lines from log file.txt that do not contain the word error. Grep supports powerful pattern matching using regular expressions. Regular expressions allow for flexible and complex searches. For basic character matching, you can use square brackets to match any of the characters enclosed within them. For instance, grep space single quote open square bracket close square bracket roar single quote space log file.txt will match lines containing either error or error. Anchors represented by the caret symbol, which is Shift+6 on most keyboards, and the $sign, which is Shift+4 on most keyboards, allow you to match patterns at the beginning or end of a line, respectively. For example, grep space single quote caret symbol error single quote space log file.txt will find lines that start with the word error. Let's explore more regular expression patterns. Quantifiers such as the asterisk, plus sign, question mark, and curly braces are used to match patterns with repetition. The asterisk means 0 or more occurrences, the plus sign means 1 or more occurrences, the question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence, and curly braces allow you to specify a specific number of occurrences. For example, grep space single quote error dot asterisk failed single quote space log file.txt searches for lines where error is followed by failed, with any text in between. Grep space single quote open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket backslash curly braces 3 backslash curly braces single quote space data.txt will match exactly 3 digits in a row. Character classes allow you to match specific types of characters. For example, grep space single quote open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket plus sign single quote space data.txt will match 1 or more digits. grep space single quote open square bracket a dash z close square bracket single quote space data.txt will match any alphabetic character, whether it is uppercase or lowercase. Now let's explore extended regular expressions, using the option for enhanced pattern matching. The option enables extended regular expressions, which provide more powerful pattern matching without the need to escape as many special characters. Without the option, which signifies basic regular expressions, you must escape curly braces with a backslash. For example, grep space single quote open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket backslash curly braces 3 backslash curly braces single quote space data.txt is needed for basic regular expression. With the option, you can write grep e space single quote open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket curly braces 3 curly braces single quote space data.txt. Alternation, which allows you to search for multiple patterns, can be achieved using the pipe symbol with the option. For instance, grep e space single quote error pipe warning pipe critical single quote space log file.txt will find lines containing error, warning, or critical. Let's look at some practical grep examples. To find IP addresses in log files, you can use the command grep e space single quote open parenthesis open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket open curly brace 1,3 close curly brace backslash close parenthesis open curly brace 3 close curly brace open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket open curly brace 1,3 close curly brace single quote space access.log. This will search for patterns that match the format of an IP address, which are 4 sets of 1 to 3 digits separated by periods. To extract email addresses from text files, you can use the command grep e space single quote open square bracket a -0 underscore percent plus minus close square bracket plus at open square bracket a -0-9 minus close square bracket plus single quote space contacts txt. This will search for patterns that match the structure of email addresses, which include alphanumeric characters, periods, underscores, percent signs, plus signs, and minus signs before the @ symbol, followed by alphanumeric characters, periods, and hyphens after the @ symbol. In summary, here are the key options and regular expressions we've covered. Key options include I for case-insensitive search, R for recursive search through directories, N for showing line numbers, and V for inverting the match. Regarding regular expressions, we discussed anchors using the caret symbol and $sign for line beginnings and endings, character classes using square brackets, quantifiers like asterisk plus question mark and curly braces for specifying repetition, and if for enabling extended regex support. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.